Post up, run around in it, flossing on it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanel Sinaj here. So today I will be showing you how to do this look, this wedding look. The first thing I'm doing here is concealing my eyes so that I can have an even base, and I'm just tapping that into my lid with this brush, like this fluffy brush. But you can use any brush just to, tap the concealer out. What I'm doing here is taking this brown shade in the Zulu palette and putting that in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35O palette and taking that brown shade and putting it into my crease as well. Now I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and take the pink shade and buff that into my crease and into the brown shades that I already applied. Now I'm going to take that same concealer and cut the crease. Y'all know the drill. After I cut both of my creases, I'm just taking this flat brush and using a tapping motion to make sure there's not any loose concealer so that I can apply the shadow over top of it. But here I'm just taking that brown shade that I started off with and adding that to the ends of my eye so I can have a gradient effect. Now I'm going back into the Morphe 35O palette and doing the exact same thing that I just did with the other brown shade. After blending that out, I'm going to go back to the Zulu palette and take that shimmery pink shade and put that all over my lid. After that, I'm just blending out the shades so it won't have a harsh line. with the brown shade that I used before. And here I'm just doing my same, you know, summertime makeup routine. If you haven't seen that video, please go watch. I'll leave it in the cards at the right, I think it's the right side of the screen. So yeah, click that and watch it if you haven't already. If y'all want me to do a how to put on eyelashes video, just let me know. But this is the end of the video. This is how the look turned out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like and comment. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, feel free to go and watch them.